Now the next element which we are going to discuss is images. Control K, Control C to put as comment. So images can improve the design and appearance of a web page, right? Let's bring some more images in the image folder. So as you can see that I have put some more images in my image folder. To bring an image into your web page is very simple. You just have to use this tag img, like image, or the shortcut, and hit tab. So again you have two properties, one is source and one is alt. Alt is that you can define any name, and source is the name of the picture. So this, let's create a picture number 2. How it looks like. Oh, these are some mountains. Select your mountains. Yeah. So if any reason that image is deleted, I can still see the name. I like mountain. Let's put the break there. Okay, you see mountains. Again I can do the image 2. So we can always put like another image. Let's copy it. To copy the same line with a shift alt and arrow key down, again this one you can remove, and then control space bar, image 3. Let's put the break here so you can see easily the difference. There is a little bit space between two. You see, this is the mountains and there are some flowers. Flower. Okay. So if you want to change the size of the image, because here image is too big, if you want to change the size, so like style, again the property is width. We want 400 pixel. Okay, and well, there are two ways that you can change the width and the height. The first one is with style tag, the style property. Okay, and the other one I will tell you the width and then height. I want again 400 pixel. So let's do is 300 pixel. Yeah, it looks much better. So this is the one way, and the other way is, let's create another one. Image source images, image 4. Okay, which is fish, jellyfish. Let's put the fish. Okay, you can directly change with the width. So you just type width, I want 400, right? And the height is 300. Sorry, 300. You see, here you have seen that we can change the width and height of an image with two different methods, one with the style and one with directly with the width and height. So the easiest way, which I prefer, is the second one, that you don't want, then you don't need to put the style and properties. You just put the attribute of width and height, and that's it. This is how you can change the size of the images.